In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can extend or make a video clip longer in Canva. Now, I'm going to be clear right from the beginning that there is no way you can extend a video using Canva. Like if the clip was, let's say, 10 seconds long, then it's going to be 10 seconds long and you cannot make it any longer, except maybe for one simple technique. But before we get into that, I'm going to show you the basic first. So let's say if you have a video clip that maybe 12 seconds, I'm going to use this as an example. And then let's say at some point I decided to reduce it to 5 seconds. And if I want to extend it back, I can always do that again. I can just click and then drag this area so I can get the video a lot longer. But of course that is probably not what you meant by extending a video or making the video longer. So one method to make a video to appear a bit longer is of course by adding some sort of a slow motion effect. So if a video was, let's say, 10 seconds and you make it twice longer, sorry, if you slow the speed to 50%, then it's going to make the video to be about 20 seconds. So here's how you can do it. First, you have to click on the video, and after that you want to click the playback option right here, and you can play around with the video speed. You want to reduce the number to whatever level that you find the best, and you can see the video now is a lot longer than the actual original clip. And you can see it used to be 10 seconds and now it is 20 seconds. So that is one way to make a video to be longer in Canva. But you have to keep in mind that it will make the motion of the video to be a bit jittery, because again, the frame rate got reduced. So you're going to get an less than smooth experience on the video. But if there is something that's okay, then you can definitely use this technique. Another method is by using AI, but that is not available in Canva. If you are interested, you can actually use a third-party tool like Runway ML, where you can extend a video to be a lot longer, and basically AI will generate the rest of the video. It's going to introducing something new that wasn't there in the video, but it is going to be based on whatever available in the video. And this is not a free tool. You actually have to pay for it. Maybe there is some sort of free trial or anything, but I personally never tried it. I only watch people doing it. But of course, this is just one name where you can we can use the AI to make your video to be longer, and then after that you can download the video and then upload it to Canva for further editing. So anyway, that's how you can make a video longer in Canva. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.